Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A4 Sport. The car's got the daytime running LEDs with the Xenon headlights. As we move on to the side of the vehicle, we have the 18-inch twin-spoke design upgraded alloy wheels with the chrome surrounds on the exterior windows. And as we move to the rear of the vehicle, we have the rear parking sensors with the single polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi user-approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the black cloth on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors with the heated option, electronic rear child locks and the black cloth interior with the black front sport seats. Automatic headlights and wipers with a upgraded flat bottom multifunctional leather steering wheel with cruise control, 3-zone digital climate control with Audi's MMI display with the navigation and a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A4, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.